Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. So guys, in today's video we are going to see one of the good news from TCS, and also we are going to discuss on the latest onboarding updates from TCS. So this video is completely related to TCS offer letters and joining updates. So in this video we are basically going to see the offer letter released for Ninja candidates. After that we are going to take some common doubts in our previous videos that the candidates have put. So without doing much ado, let's start with our video. Before starting the video, make sure that you watch the video till complete end, as there is a lot of important information in this for you. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I regularly upload off-campus drives on my channel as well as these kinds of placement preparation related videos. If you have not yet followed me on Instagram, make sure to do so, as there are a lot of job openings for you on Instagram as well. So let's start with our today's discussion. First of all, TCS has released the offer letters for Ninja candidates. So right now on the screen you can see the screenshot of the mail. So here let me read out the mail for you. Dear candidates, congratulations. We are delighted to inform you that you have been successfully completed our initial selection process. We are pleased to share the TCS offer letter with you. Your offer letter is available in your next step account. Follow the instructions given below to accept your offer letter. So what you need to do is you need to go to the next step portal and you need to accept your offer letter. So just in case if you are not aware about how to accept it, like previously, until you have not got your offer letter, this tab, like offer letter tab, will not be visible to you. But once you get your offer letter, this tab will be visible, and here at the below of the page, button will be displayed. So that button will I accept button will be displayed. So what you need to do is you just click on I accept and you need to accept your offer letter. Now make sure that you accept your TCS offer letter as soon as possible, because TCS itself mentions in many mails that you have to accept your offer letters within 7 days of getting it. So this is the main update. Now the next thing is, this offer letters are for the candidates who are from Ninja profile, right? And these are the candidates who completed their interviews in the month of October. Now these candidates were so much confused regarding their offer letters. Like the same mail which I am showing, this candidate asked me like 15 days back that many people are saying that all the Ninja candidates results are out and no more results will be out further, and no more offer letters will be released by TCS in the upcoming days, and all of the remaining candidates are now rejected even though the status is showing badged. And if you are also waiting for your offer letter, you might have also heard this news from somewhere, but I always say to candidates that if your status is badged in the next step portal, then don't worry about anything. Badged status just means that you are still in the hiring process and you are not rejected. You should consider yourself rejected only when your status is rejected in the next step portal. If you are rejected, no, then in that case there will be a clear message on your next step portal account. So in that case only you should consider yourself rejected. Otherwise, don't believe on someone's words. Like if someone is saying that you are rejected, do not consider yourself rejected, right? Okay, so this thing is clear now, I guess. Now the next thing is, what next, right? You have got the offer letters. Now what next? So first of all, your Explore program will be started. If you do not know what is Explore program, what you can do is you can go to the playlist section of my channel and you can check this playlist. There are a lot of important videos related to TCS. You can check all of them, but the most important video that you need to check is steps after receiving the offer letter from TCS. This video you need to check, and in this video I have completely explained that what all are the important things that happens once you get your offer letter. So make sure that you check that video so that all of your doubts are cleared. So once your Explore program will start, then you will have some exams from TCS. Earlier these exams were divided into two categories, like the IPA and CPA. IPA was Ion proctored assessment and CPA was camera proctored assessment. So until the work from home was going on, so the candidates has to give the CPA, but right now the offices are opening, so everyone is asked to go to the office and take this IPA exam, right? So you have to go to the ION centers and you have to give this exams. So once you clear this exam with 80+ marks, you get 60,000 bonus from the company. If you clear this exam with in the range 40 to 60 or 60 to 80, I guess, then in that case you get 40,000 as your joining bonus. So you can see that on the screen the ranges are mentioned and the incentives amount is also mentioned. So in this way you can avail 60,000 maximum from the TCS as your joining bonus. So make sure that you prepare well for it and give these exams at your ION centers. Next is, so as you can see that this is a good news for all, right? As the hiring process is again getting back to normal, TCS has already started sending the offer letters. More joinings are expected in the upcoming months. I have said this same thing in the previous videos, and I am also saying it right now because I know that there will be many more offer letters that will be released by the company. And not only this, I have even seen previously that for some candidates there was a rejection message on the Next Step portal account, and again their status got changed to badged and they got the offer letters from the company. So TCS is one such company which once the status is badged and once you are waiting for your result, you definitely get offer letters from it. And also if you are waiting for your joining after offer letters, they will definitely give you joinings, but it will take some time due to the current scenario, right? We all know that the recession time is very hard for all the companies, so it might take time, but definitely you are going to get your joinings. So there are still many candidates for whom the status is showing badged. Please wait, as you may also receive some updates in the upcoming days, like in the Jan or Feb month. So please wait for some time and don't be disheartened that you will get rejected, right? Okay, so if you still have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I will clear in the next video. Let's now take some of the comments. As I previously mentioned in the last video that I will clear some of your doubts. So this was the video I uploaded 2 or 3 days back. On this we have some comments. Let's see what are the common comments. I have answered already few comments, so make sure if you want to see the answers of that, you can check the replies that I have put. So let's see the one which are new. So first of all, let's see this comment. Hello, I have received my offer letter from TCS for the infrastructure services wings on September 21. Till now the onboarding didn't start. Should I wait for 1 month or start looking for new opportunity or courses? The mail said that they will honor the offer letter but didn't give an exact time for onboarding. So yes, definitely once if you have your offer letter, you are definitely going to get your joining, but you do not know how much time. So my suggestion on this is start applying to other opportunities. And also while you are applying, just keep on regularly checking your Next Step portal. If you have any update from the TCS, you can join. Otherwise there is no point of waiting, right? Because already it is more than 1 year and you are still waiting for your joining. So I would suggest that keep on applying to the other opportunities so that you might get a joining earlier in some other company. Next comment is, in the notification of TCS, they inform that onboarding will schedule in January shortly. I got my offer letter and ILP eligible too, but now my joining letter is not coming. Please clear this doubt. So yes, after getting your offer letters, your next status that you get is your ILP eligible, but joining takes some time. As I already mentioned that once you get your offer letter, your Explore program will start. Then you have to give some exams in order to avail joining bonus, and after that you are going to get your joining letters. So in between this time, that is your offer letter and your joining letters, you need to prepare some documents that I have explained in several videos. Please make sure that you check this playlist. I have explained in clear that what documents that you need to prepare before joining the company, right? So I am ILP eligible. Is it necessary to do NSR registration? Yes, NSR is a mandatory. It doesn't matter you are on which status. Once you join the company, before that your NSR should be done. And also make sure all the candidates who are going to join the company in the upcoming months and have received the offer letters now, don't do this mistake that don't be in a hurry and upload the documents on the Next Step portal, right? Because once you upload the suppose if there are 10 documents to be uploaded, and if you have uploaded 2 or 3 right now and if you submit it, then you will no longer be upload the remaining documents, because that portal will be freezed and you will only be able to upload your remaining documents once it is approved by the company, right? And then that approval usually takes place at the time of your joining. So make sure that you upload all the documents at the time of your joining only together at once, right? So what you can do is you can start preparing those documents and keep it aside, and once all the documents are prepared and once you get your joining letter, after that you will get some days, right? Your joining letters will be given to you approx 15 to 20 days before your joining. So within that time you can upload all the documents. Until that you will have some months, so that in that months you can prepare all the documents. So few days back I accepted the final offer letter. Now in Next Step portal it is showing ILP eligible. Do I need to do NSR registration? Yes, NSR registration is mandatory. I don't know why candidates are asking for these things, but NSR registration is mandatory. If you join any IT company, NSR IT pin is important for you, right? So I hope I have answered this common questions, and rest all the comments I have already answered. If you want me to answer any furthermore comments, let me know in the comments of section of this video, and I will answer all those comments. And if you have any new doubts, if you have got your joining date in the upcoming months, let me know your joining date, and I will start uploading the videos related to your first day of joining. That is, how can you download your UX app on your mobile, that is your Ultimatix app, how can you fill your timesheet of TCS, and all of these topics related videos I will bring for you. So let me know if you have any furthermore doubts. Make sure to join me on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching the video.